Welcome back to month 7 on my journey to monetization. This is for my mommy channel on YouTube. You're watching it here on my YouTube channel, but my mommy channel, it is older, and this is month 7, so October of 2023. In this month, I published 9 longs and 5 shorts, along with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, all that. But today we're focusing on YouTube. So I tried a little bit of a different strategy with when I published, and if you notice, they're kind of stacked. Like I did a long and a short, long and a short, long and a short, and so on. I don't know that publishing the short with the long on the same day was a good or a bad idea. The videos were not related, but I was trying something new. Clearly, I had a blip right here, and I believe it is from this video. It's about breastfeeding goals, essentially. And if you look here, it is my top viewed for the month. Starting back at the top here, views. It says 2K, that's rounded. It's really 1974, but 2K views, 17.5 watch hours, and 2 subscribers. These stats are slightly up from month 6, which is a blessing. We are happy to see it rise. Real quick, okay, let's go ahead and see more. I just want to do a quick look at my content type and show you guys. So my long videos, we had this many views, shorts this many, and watch hours 13.9 versus 3.6 for shorts. That is great. And then average view duration, obviously we're glad it's longer for the videos and it makes them set shorter for the shorts. Let's exit out of here, and then we're gonna go ahead and break up the content. Let's quickly look at shorts and see if we can find that standout short. Looks like it was this one. Let's go to see more and see if that short pops up under content. Okay, so it was this one here. Clearly it had a lot more views than anybody else, and it's why you need matching toddler plates. And it was a fun one to make. It took a decent amount of effort for my standards. It wasn't just a talking head video. I had multiple clips unloading the dishwasher, putting away and stacking the plates. Not a huge deal, but got some good views on that one. And then beyond that, my shorts, they really don't do that much. They're not that exciting. I'm not that great at making them. Maybe that's part of the problem. So anywho, let's go ahead and go back, and we're going to go to just the long form videos. 1.4K, 3.5%. I'm not mad at that as a click-through rate. Now again, let's check out these really good views here. Let's go ahead and hit see more. Okay, this is just content type that's repeating what we already saw. So let's go ahead and go to content. So blue is this first video. Again, how to prevent breastfeeding overwhelmed by focusing on goals. So goal related and breastfeeding related. Views were good. Oh, let's go ahead and throw my favorites. Watch time hours and percentage of it viewed. Ooh, do you see where that blue line is? Way down there. That's average percent viewed. Could do watch time. The blue still got a lot more watch time than other things. Let's just go ahead and do views. I feel like that's a very standard thing to be on. So I didn't get good views. I got one that blipped, and that was amazing. How to prevent breastfeeding overwhelm. A lot of views. Because I got so many views, I got good watch time, but people were only watching 9%. They were only watching about 30 seconds. That's not overly great or exciting. Now let's see. I did want to show one for the click-through rate, 17.2. Once again, it is that when to start wearing maternity clothes video. That first video, it got 80% average viewed, which was an average view duration of 2 minutes and 22 seconds. That video is just killing it. Again, though, only 5 views. So not a ton of watch time because it didn't get enough views. And then I wanted to also highlight the dads video once again. Okay, so how dads can support like postpartum, average percentage viewed, again, almost 100%. Although to be fair, if you look here, there was only one viewer. But that one viewer, they watched it, man. They watched all of this. They almost got to the full 5 minutes and 49 seconds. Once again, when people watch this, they watch it. And it makes me wonder if somebody's asking their spouse to watch it, or if it's a dad that just wants to really kill it, and just do a really good job postpartum in helping and supporting his wife. And he is listening to the information and taking it in. So I really hope that that video is helping some future dads or new dads. Okay, so I think overall that's really what I have to tell you guys today. Numbers were a little bit down. We're working our way up, and this was month 7. It was October of 2023, and keep following along. Let's see if we can get a little closer to monetization and just keep working our way there slowly but surely, and come back and check out month 8. It will be linked in the description at the end of this video. And if you can't find it there, go to my channel and find the playlist where I will have all these videos, and you can watch them and get the full picture of what it is like to start a YouTube channel with zero experience. Thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.